Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami, hello teacher, hello friends. Today we are going to play the game of Qua-Qua Quiz with Monami. Are you ready Monami? Yes, miss. Are you ready children? Okay, so let's start. So before starting the game, let us understand the rules. With each question, you will get 4 options and you need to pick up only one right answer. And with each right answer, you will get a star. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Monami, can you tell me which letter sounds p, p, p? Which letter sounds p, p, p? Your options are letter B, letter D, letter P or letter T. Letter P? Yes, very good. And you get a star. Second question. Which bird is known as the national bird of India? Which bird is known as the national bird of India? Your options are sparrow, crow, peacock or kingfisher. Peacock? Yes, very good. Some interesting facts about peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. A group of peacocks isn't called a flock, but a party. Peacocks can fly, but they love to stay on the ground most of the time. Peacocks have beautiful long tail feathers called a train. Peacocks begin to grow their colorful tails only after they are about 3 years old. Next question, Monami, can you tell me the name of which vegetable begins with the letter P? Your options are cabbage, tomato, pumpkin or beetroot. Pumpkin? Yes, right. And you got a star. Now, my next question. Can you tell me the name of the community helper who brings us letters? Your options are fireman, nurse, doctor or postman. Fireman, nurse, doctor or postman. Postman? Yes, right. Very good, Monami. Now, this is a riddle. Okay? And you have to identify the name of the creature. Right? Okay, so let's start. I wear a black and white coat. I wear a black and white coat. I am a bird, but I can't fly. Fish is my favorite food and I love to stay in ice. Your options are parrot, crow, eagle or penguin. Parrot, crow, eagle or penguin. Is it penguin? Yes, very good. Penguin. Correct. Now children, some interesting facts about penguins. Penguins are birds, but they can't fly. A penguin's wings are actually flippers. A penguin's tail helps it to balance on land. Penguins turn their bodies into a sled and slide across the ice on their bodies. Emperor penguins, the biggest species, grow over 4 feet tall. Penguins and polar bears don't live in the same place. Now you need to see this clip, and after that I will ask you a few questions. So see this clip very carefully.
They played many games and danced to the music of the piano. Soon, mother called them for the cake cutting ceremony. First, Penny puffed out all the candles. Puff, 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 puff. Then she cut the cake. Everybody relished the pineapple and strawberry cake.
Have you seen that clip carefully?
Yes.
Can you tell me the name of the musical instrument which was shown in this clip? I will give you the options. Trumpet, flute, piano or violin. Trumpet, flute, piano or violin.
No, miss.
Just give it a try.
Piano?
Yes, you are absolutely right. It's piano. Good. Now next question. Which special cake did Penny the penguin and her friends have on her birthday? Your options are pineapple and strawberry, butterscotch, black forest or chocoberry.
Miss, pineapple and strawberry?
Correct. Very good. Well done. My next question. Can you name the utensils which begins with the letter P? Can you name the utensil which begins with the letter P? Your options are spoon, bowl, knife or pan.
Pan?
Yes, absolutely right. Okay, so now next question. Name the fruit which has many seeds. You have to name the fruit which has many seeds. Your options are banana, apple, pomegranate or grapes.
Grapes?
No, it is pomegranate. We have done it in the fruit game. Pomegranate. Yes. Okay, so now the last question. Is letter P a vowel or a consonant? Is letter P a vowel or a consonant?
Letter P. Vowel. It's a consonant.
Very good. Well done, Monami. Let us see how many stars does Monami have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Monami has won 9 stars. Excellent. Well done, Monami.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, friends. Friends, it was fun to play Qua-Qua Quiz game. You want to play it again? Then please like, subscribe and share our channel.
Bye. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.